Nestled along the Cabo Real Corridor, Grand Velas Boutique Hotel Los Cabos sits at kilometer 17.5 of the Transpeninsular Highway, and that exact location tells you something important about trip planning. This stretch of coastline puts you roughly 12 kilometers from the Marina Cabo San Lucas and 15 kilometers from the iconic Arco rock formations, which means you're close enough to hit the major landmarks without paying the premium prices of downtown beachfront. More importantly, you're positioned directly on Medano Beach, just over a kilometer away, which is one of the few swimmable beaches in the area where the Pacific doesn't turn into a washing machine. Understanding this geography matters because many Cabo hotels sit on dramatic cliffs with stunning views but no safe ocean access, forcing guests to shuttle elsewhere for actual swimming. Here you get both the luxury resort experience and functional beach time without logistical gymnastics. The property operates as an all-inclusive under the Velas Resorts umbrella, and that management group has built a reputation for doing the all-inclusive model without the usual corners cut on food quality or liquor brands. What makes this particular location stand out in the Velas portfolio is the boutique scale, which typically means fewer rooms and more personalized service than their larger flagship properties. The exact room count isn't publicly listed, but the boutique designation and the guest review patterns suggesting staff remember names and preferences indicate this isn't a sprawling mega resort where you're just another wristband number. Starting with the Grand King rooms, you're looking at accommodations built around king-size beds with private terraces angled toward ocean views. The marble bathrooms come equipped with both rain showers and soaking tubs, which is a practical luxury because sometimes you want a quick rinse after the beach, and sometimes you want to soak with a drink and decompress from travel. Smart TVs handle your streaming accounts, the minibar stocks your all-inclusive drinks and snacks, and Nespresso machines mean you can caffeinate before facing breakfast crowds. Wi-Fi comes standard, which matters more than it sounds like it should because plenty of high-end resorts still nickel-and-dime internet access or provide connections so weak you can't video call home. The terrace setup deserves attention because outdoor private space in hotel rooms often means a Juliet balcony barely big enough to stand on, but these are described as actual terraces where you can sit with morning coffee or evening cocktails without feeling like you're perched on a fire escape. Grand double rooms follow the same amenity blueprint but swap the king bed for two doubles, which makes them the practical choice for friends traveling together or families who need the sleeping flexibility. The ocean view terrace, marble bathroom with rain shower and soaking tub, smart TV, minibar, Nespresso machine, and Wi-Fi all carry over. The double bed configuration doesn't mean you're getting a downgraded room, just a different sleeping arrangement in the same quality envelope. This matters because at some resorts, choosing two beds instead of one king relegates you to inferior room categories with worse views or older furnishings, but here the distinction appears purely functional. Stepping up to the Grand Suite adds square footage through a separate living area, which transforms how a room functions during a longer stay. Instead of sitting on your bed to watch TV or having nowhere to spread out work materials, you get dedicated living space that separates sleeping from waking activities. The private terrace with ocean views remains, and the marble bathroom upgrades to dual vanities alongside the rain shower and soaking tub. Dual vanities sound like a small detail until you're sharing a bathroom and realize one sink creates a morning bottleneck, while two sinks mean you can both get ready without choreographing who brushes teeth when. The king-size bed, smart TV, minibar, Nespresso machine, and Wi-Fi continue as standard equipment. The separate living area also means if you're traveling with a child who goes to bed earlier, you're not stuck sitting in darkness trying not to wake them. You can retreat to the living space with a book or a movie. The Grand Corner Suite takes the suite concept and enhances it with corner positioning, which typically means windows on two walls instead of one and therefore enhanced ocean views with better natural light throughout the day. You still get the king-size bed, separate living area, private terrace, marble bathroom with rain shower, soaking tub, and dual vanities, plus the smart TV, minibar, Nespresso machine, and Wi-Fi. Corner rooms in hotels often command premiums because the geometry creates more interesting spaces than the rectangular boxes of standard rooms, and the multi-directional views mean you're not just staring at one fixed perspective. The enhanced ocean views mentioned specifically suggest these corners capture sunset angles or wider panoramas that standard rooms miss. The dining lineup starts with Frida, which focuses on Mexican cuisine and presumably draws inspiration from the country's most famous artist, though the exact menu interpretation and operating hours aren't publicly detailed. What matters with a Mexican restaurant at a Cabo resort is whether they're taking the cuisine seriously or just churning out Tex-Mex approximations for tourists who think cilantro is exotic. The fact that this sits alongside French-Mexican fusion and Mediterranean options in the dining program suggests the kitchen team has actual culinary ambitions rather than just filling buffet trays. Mexican food done properly involves techniques like slow braising proteins in banana leaves, grinding fresh masa for tortillas, and building mole sauces with 20+ ingredients that take days to develop flavor. The all-inclusive model here means you're not paying per meal, so you can experiment with dishes you might not order if you were watching a bill climb. Azur handles Mediterranean cuisine, which is a broad umbrella that can mean anything from Greek meze platters to Italian coastal seafood to Spanish tapas. Without specific menu details, the Mediterranean label suggests olive oil-forward cooking, grilled fish, fresh vegetables, and preparations that let high-quality ingredients speak without heavy sauces masking everything. Mediterranean food pairs naturally with beachfront locations because the cuisine evolved in coastal regions where fishing boats determined daily menus. The all-inclusive setup means you can graze through small plates without worrying about portion sizes or whether ordering 3 appetizers instead of an entree will look weird to your server. Cocina de Autor brings French-Mexican fusion to the table with a recommendation for reservations, which signals this is the property's fine dining anchor where tables fill up and walk-ins might get turned away. Fusion cuisine can go wrong quickly when chefs just throw random ingredients together and call it innovative. But the French-Mexican pairing has historical logic, because French culinary techniques influenced Mexican cooking during the 19th century French intervention. Done well, this means you might see French technical precision applied to Mexican ingredients, like a perfectly executed duck confit served with mole negro, or delicate fish preparation with salsa verde made from tomatillos and herbs. The reservation requirement also suggests longer meal pacing and more elaborate presentations than the other restaurants, so plan this for a night when you want to linger over multiple courses rather than grab a quick bite before heading out. The lounge bar covers cocktails and light bites, filling the role of the casual drinking and snacking spot where you can grab something without committing to a full restaurant experience. Light bites typically means appetizers, small plates, maybe some sushi or ceviche, things you can eat with drinks without needing a full table setting. This is where you go for sunset cocktails before dinner or late-night drinks after you've finished eating, but aren't ready to call it a night. The all-inclusive model means the bar isn't pouring bottom-shelf liquor and charging premium prices for anything decent, which changes the drinking economics considerably compared to pay-per-drink resorts where a week of cocktails can add hundreds to your bill. Beach Grill focuses on seafood and grilled fare, which makes geographic sense given you're on the Baja coast where fishing is a primary industry and fresh catch is actually fresh rather than frozen and shipped from elsewhere. Grilled preparations suit beach settings because nobody wants heavy cream sauces and complicated plating when they're sandy and sun-tired from a day on the water. Expect fish tacos, grilled shrimp, maybe some carne asada, things that come off hot grates with char and smoke adding flavor. The beach location presumably means casual dress codes and open-air seating where you can eat with ocean breezes and wave sounds as ambience. The infinity pool overlooks the Pacific Ocean, which is the defining feature because infinity edges create the visual effect of water extending to the horizon without the interruption of pool walls. The actual swimming experience in an infinity pool is the same as any other pool once you're in the water, but the aesthetics matter for both the view while you're swimming and the photos you'll take. Infinity pools work best when positioned on elevation with unobstructed ocean views, and the Pacific-facing orientation here means you're watching waves and potentially spotting whales during migration season rather than staring at parking lots or neighboring buildings. Pool temperature, depth, and whether there's a shallow lounging area versus a lap swimming section aren't specified, but the singular pool reference suggests this is one main pool rather than multiple pool areas serving different functions. The private beach access on Medano Beach is a significant practical advantage because Medano is the main swimmable beach in the Cabo San Lucas area. Much of the Cabo coastline where the Pacific meets the Sea of Cortez creates dangerous currents and undertows that make swimming actively unsafe, which is why you'll see stunning beaches marked with red flags and warning signs. Medano's protected bay configuration calms the water enough for actual swimming, paddleboarding, and water sports rather than just wading ankle deep. Private beach access typically means the hotel controls a section of sand with loungers, umbrellas, and possibly food and drink service, so you're not fighting for space with the general public or dealing with beach vendors aggressively selling blankets and timeshares. The Grand Velas Spa includes a hydrotherapy circuit, 20 treatment rooms, and a temazcal, which is a traditional Mexican sweat lodge used for ceremonial and therapeutic purposes. Hydrotherapy circuits typically involve moving through different water experiences like hot tubs, cold plunge pools, steam rooms, and saunas in a specific sequence designed to improve circulation and relax muscles. 20 treatment rooms indicates serious spa capacity, where you're not fighting for appointment slots or getting pushed into inconvenient time slots because everything else is booked. The temazcal edition shows cultural integration beyond just slapping a spa onto a resort, because temazcal ceremonies involve heat, herbs, and often spiritual or meditative components that connect to pre-Hispanic traditions. If you're not familiar with temazcals, expect intense heat similar to a sauna but with volcanic stones, medicinal plants, and possibly a guide leading the session with intention setting or breathing exercises. The state-of-the-art fitness center with ocean views handles the workout needs for guests who maintain exercise routines while traveling. Ocean views from a gym mean you're running on a treadmill or lifting weights while watching waves rather than staring at a wall or a parking garage, which genuinely improves the experience of grinding through a workout. State-of-the-art suggests current equipment rather than outdated machines with broken features, though specific brands, class offerings, or whether there's a trainer available aren't detailed. The ocean view positioning also likely means natural light and ventilation rather than a windowless basement gym situation. El Arco de Cabo San Lucas sits about 15 kilometers from the hotel, which is the iconic rock arch formation where the Pacific Ocean meets the Sea of Cortez. This is the postcard image of Cabo, the geological landmark that defines the destination visually. You can view the arch from land, but the better experience involves taking a water taxi or boat tour that brings you close enough to see sea lions lounging on the rocks and potentially swim at Lovers Beach, which sits on the Pacific side of the arch. The 15-kilometer distance means you're looking at roughly a 20-minute drive depending on traffic, close enough for an easy half-day excursion, but far enough that you're not dealing with the downtown Cabo San Lucas crowds and cruise ship passengers as your daily neighbors. Land's End sits 15.5 kilometers away and refers to the dramatic point where the Baja Peninsula terminates and the two bodies of water converge. This is the same general area as El Arco, and the names often get used interchangeably, but Land's End technically encompasses the broader geographical feature while El Arco is the specific rock formation. The scenic viewpoint aspect means you can appreciate the geology and ocean meeting without necessarily getting on a boat, though the water-based perspective offers better angles. The distance keeps you close enough to visit easily, but positions you away from the concentrated tourist infrastructure that clusters around these landmarks. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.